Good morning, student. I am Mrs. Gauri, your English teacher, and today we are going to learn our second poem from Honeysuckle, The Kite, written by Harry Penn. He was born on 24th September 1898 in US. He died on 6th September 1973. His nationality was American. So let's start with our poem, The Kite. The Kite is a short, melodious poem by Harry Penn. The Kite begins with an explanation of how a bright and a new kite look against the blue sky when it is plunges and snaps its tail. So let's start with our first paragraph. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind its ride climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Now, in this para, poet want to tell us a new kite shines brightly in the sky. A kite look bright on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. Now look, kids, here sky is not mentioned in your paragraph. So the blue, the word the blue is indicate the sky. Here the word the blue is indicate the sky. So we have to take blue as a sky. A kite looks bright on a clear sky when it flies for first time. It moves with softness and forcefully together at the same time to fly make its tail to create a crackling sound in the air. Now with a deep and dive means softness and forcefully we dived in the swimming pool like that. It is deep and dive high in the sky. It snaps its tail when the sky is going forcefully in the sky. It's make a noise. Its tail make a noise. It's known as a snaps. Then soar like a ship. Then soar like a ship means rise like a ship. Means it is float like a ship in the sky. Means when the ship is floating on the sea, moving on the sea, the kite, in the same way the kite fly high in the sky. As over tides of wind it rides. Means it is riding on the air, wind. Means such move helps it to float in the sky. Just wave rising and falling with the sudden blow of the wind. Means strong wind help it goes up to the high point. Gust and pulls means the strong wind help it to climb the crest means to reach the high point. Climb the crest means to reach the high point. So it helps to go up to the high point in the sky. like the way a ship moves on the ocean. But all sudden, but all sudden, the wind slow down. It seems as if it has stopped there to rest. Then we can see that all sudden the wind fall. It stop. All sudden the wind stop. So we can see the kite stop there to take rest. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breezes blow and its wing fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but rugged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Now, when the thread tied to the kite loosens, means it is not tied very tight. After being on the crest, it rests when the wind fall, and when the string is slick, you wind it back. Means when the thread tied to the kite loosen, the flyer run here and there and roll it back. He wait till a new breeze. He wait till a new air. Breeze means air. Blow again and fill the wing of the kite with the air again to help it fly high. So, when a new wind blow, only the kite can fly. This new wind fill its wing with air. Then the kite goes up again. A kite looks very bright. A kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky. How bright a new kite look when it is in the sky. But soon, but soon you will find it the ugliest thing when it is stuck on a tree. Means ruggeder means more rugged or uglier. It's looking not good. Means looking ugly. Uh, what the ugly thing happened with the kite? It is stuck on a tree. There it flutters. There it flutters like a bird tied to a piece of string. Means when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and it's give a poor worn out look, which is not liked by anyone, or it is flutter there. It is flutter there like a bird. Tied to a piece of string. So it was our poem. Now let's see some meanings which I explain you in the poem. So let's see some meaning. Uh, Look at some meanings. The blue means here we have to take the meaning of the blue is the sky. Dive is plunge or jump. Meaning of snaps means move with noise The meaning of soar means fly high. Now the meaning of the crest means top of the wave or on the top. You can take both meaning. Now gust means sudden strong wind is known as a gust. Slack means loose. Rugged means more torn and dirty. Flap means flattered like a bird. It's a flap.